I made this last year. I have a mini version and then I made a big version, but I did the big version after after the Valentine's Day love theme thing was all over. So I wanted to try it out this year. This is a pretty simple extruder disc to extrude. These use the 57mm and they extrude pretty well. And this comes in either 23 or 18. Basically, the heart just fits right in the middle. Now, I like to do a mica coat so that when you put the top on, the envelope stands out and it looks like it has those lines. Because I did a purple heart, I'm just taking some purple mica and a paintbrush, and I'm just basically going to brush purple mica, and I should have put paper towel under this because it's gonna make a mess. Okay, take two. I've got some paper towel under this now. So yeah, I'm just going to paint it across the whole length, top and bottom. It should press right down into that, pretty easy, and fit nice and snug. Again, as always, when you push, you want to push and make sure you get air gaps and that everything's sitting down well, but you don't want to push so hard that you deform the embed, in this case the heart. So that's pretty good. So now I'm going to take this top piece and paint the whole thing with distilled water. All you need to do is take some paper towel, add some distilled water, and you can just simply wipe it off. You don't want your paper towel too wet. Mine's got to put a little too much water on it. But it will wipe the excess color. Now honestly, having some color on the edges really doesn't matter because once you put it in the soap and you cut it, no one's going to be able to tell. But if it was bothering you and you wanted to clean it, that's just, I said, a little bit of water. A damp paper towel, not a wet paper towel. Mine's a wet, just damp. It's an envelope, isn't it cute? I love it. It makes me smile. This design I am using my envelope. I'm just doing a purple base with a drop swirl of different purples. So relatively simple design. Gonna fill that and then just drop in this purple. Drop in this purple. Then I will pour the rest of this in. You don't have to do this. You can pour the whole base color all at once and then just do your swirl to varying degrees of height. You just hold your cup up and down to get it to break through at different points. Added a bit too much color. I should have had a little bit more of the base, but that's okay. I still think it will be fine. Okay, and tad bit more purple, light purple. I guess they're all purple, so. And then I'm going to take my tool from Gagnon, I believe, on Etsy, and I'm just going to go up and down and back and forth many times. Again, you can underswirl a hanger swirl pretty easily, so I always recommend doing more passes versus less. And now I'm going to stick my envelope. I kind of want it at an angle, but I don't know if I'm going to get it to stay at an angle. We'll see. Stick that in. I have some conversation hearts that I am just going to put one in each spot. Oh, look at that air bubble. Look at those swirls. And my envelope did go at an angle. I was trying to, but when I try and do certain things, sometimes it doesn't happen. Oh, that's so fun. I love those swirls. So many. I do love a hanger swirl. It's simple and cute. And I did put a little conversation heart on top. This is the purple themed soap. Black and white, the blue, green, and red gnome, this purple, and of course there's going to be a pink one coming up. It's cute. I like it. I love this embed envelope. Let me know what you think.